In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MoneyGram account. To get started, download the official MoneyGram Money Transfers app on your iPhone or Android device. This is important because MoneyGram indicates that a smartphone is required to complete the registration process. Once the app is installed, open it and look for the option that says Sign Up or Create Profile to begin creating your account. Next, enter an active email address that you can access easily. This should be an email you regularly use since it may be needed for account-related communication or verification. After that, create a secure password by following the requirements shown in the app. Make sure you choose something strong and memorable while also keeping it private and secure. You'll then be asked to enter your mobile number. Type in your phone number carefully, and if MoneyGram requests any verification, complete that step to confirm the number is yours. This part helps protect your account and makes the setup more secure. After that, enter your personal information. Depending on your location and the specific MoneyGram service you want to use, the app may ask for details such as your full name, date of birth, residential address, and phone number. It's a good idea to enter everything exactly as it appears on your official documents, since consistency can help avoid delays later. The next stage may be identity verification. MoneyGram may require you to verify who you are before your account can be fully approved. For applicants in the United States using a MoneyGram account, this can include providing a valid, unexpired government-issued ID as well as an SSN or ITIN. Be sure the information you provide is accurate and current. Before moving forward, carefully review all the details you entered. Double-check your name, address, phone number, and any other information on the form. Make sure everything matches your identification documents. Even small mistakes can cause issues during verification, so taking a moment here can save time. Once everything looks correct, review MoneyGram's terms and privacy information. If you're comfortable proceeding, accept the terms to continue. Then tap Continue, Submit, or whatever equivalent button appears in the app to send in your registration. In some cases, MoneyGram may request additional verification or documentation after you submit your application. If that happens, simply follow the prompts in the app and provide the requested information. Once your account is approved, sign in to the MoneyGram app. From there, you'll be able to access the services available for your account type and location.